Welcome to RCBS Reviews. Today we bring you a review of a VTX from EWRF, and this VTX is e709TM3. This is a 5.8 GHz 48 channels with a DC input from 2S to 6S or 6 to 25 volts. This transmitter has a selectable output of 25, 200 and 600 milliwatts, and also you can disable to pit mode, so you can do the configuration of your transmitter without do any kind of interference with other pilots that you have near you. This comes with MMCX connector that you can see over here, that is more easy to swap and more reliable than the IPEX one. The pigtail is RP-SMA, and the connections that came with the plug, there are power in, ground, PWM OSD, that is smart port feature that supports the configuration through Betaflight and other firmwares. This is audio input, video input, ground, DC 5 volts output to power a camera that is that can be powered by 5 volts DC. This part of the VTX, we have over here the dissipation, and the is a large dissipator, so we can release all the heat that it is produced by the transmitter. On this side we have the LED that indicates the channel and frequency. Over here we have the power indication, that is 25, 200 and 600 milliwatts. This is to change band, and this is to change power. Over here you have a lot of capacitors, so it can support to have less interference from the power supply of the quad. This has a pattern of mounting 30.5 that you can mount over a stack over your flight controller. The build quality of this VTX is very good. As we can see, is well soldered, and I'm flying with this one for a couple of months on my quad, and it is very reliable. I will plug to the quad that I was flying with this VTX so we can see it working. It's, as you can see, this type of connection is very easy to connect. If you want to replace, you have a spare in your bag, it's very simple to replace this one. And over here, as we can see, we have the wires. Let's connect over here, and as we can see, the connections I'm using is red is power, black is ground, the green one is PWM OSD, that is smart port, and because I don't have audio, I take off the wire that was destined to audio. Video is the yellow one, and because the RunCam is supplied directly by the main supply, I don't have any kind of connection over DC 5 volts over here, so I only have the 4 wires that I need. As you can see over here, you can see the LED that shows you that I'm on the band D1 and the frequency is 5740. If I push over here, I'm changing to D2, as you can see, D3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, D1. If I want to change the band, I have to push continuously so we can change the band. C, D, and then the frequency that I want. In my case is D1, sorry, I pass it. Over here we can change 25 milliwatts, hard press 200 milliwatts, again 600 milliwatts. If you double click, you go to pit mode. As you can see, it's blinking. The power output is only necessary to get you on a range of a signal in a range of 1 meter, more or less 2-3 meters at the maximum. This VTX have a nice price also. I will leave the links on the description. If you want to buy, this is a very affordable one and is very good. I'm flying with, as I mentioned before, for maybe 2 months with this on this quad with this transmitter, and I'm very satisfied because never had any kind of issue with them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel and help us grow. And if you like, give us a like, activate the bell so you can be aware when we publish new videos. Until next time, bye.